Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. If we haven't met before, my name is Shiv. Hello, if you're coming back then welcome. In today's video I have this super glamorous glittery glam makeup look perfect for the festive season, or if you just want to feel extra glam and sexy and glittery and within yourself, if you know what I'm saying. But I really enjoyed creating this makeup look. I had a little bit of a problem with my eye because it kept streaming, because this is my second video that I filmed today. Go productivity. But yes, I really hope you enjoy watching this makeup video, and if you like it please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and now let's just carry on straight into the tutorial. Let's go! So the first shade that I'm going to take is this one right here, which is called Running Late from the Revolution X Soph Does Nails palette. I think this is her, yep, this is the Extra Spice palette. And I'm just taking this on my LA Girl 202 blending brush. I'm just going to start by working this into the crease of the eye as the transition colour. Just building it up nice and slowly for a really soft transition there. I don't think I was recording. Great. I'm going to take this colour here, which is called Cheesecake, just to apply it to the outer corner of the eye and to deepen things up in the crease as well. I'm taking this on my Zoeva Luxe Soft Definer Brush 227. Just tapping off the excess, and then I'm going to pack this in the outer corner of the eye and just building it up slowly. I'm also going to run some of this under the lower lash line as well and start smoking it out. Just keep blending, just keep blending, just keep blending, blending, blending. What do we do when we blend? Blend, blend. And then again, going back in with that Running Late shade to further blend this out. And on the lower lashes as well. I'm just going to deepen things up a little bit more by going in with Enchanted, which is a really dark purpley brown shade. Just taking the brush that comes with the Anastasia palettes, tapping off the excess, and I'm just going to do the same thing as I did with that Cheesecake shade, except just further focusing it on the crease area, not bringing it in as far. Now I'm just going to repeat the steps backward by going in with a little bit more of Cheesecake. Now for the lid shade, the main focus is the glitter, but I want something kind of underneath for it to like stand out on. This is the glitter that I'm taking. It's a Revolution glitter in the shade Out Out, which is a beautiful coppery glitter. And I am going to put this colour here, which is called La Sun on, or LA Sun probably. And I'm going to take this right here. It's like a yellowy gold, and I'm going to pop that all over the lid. Just going to blend that out a little bit so it's not as harsh. I don't really want like a strong cut crease for this. Just a nice pretty glitter glow. This gold is so pretty. Okay, now for the fun part, which is the glitter. So next I'm going to be applying the glitter, which is the main part of the look. I'm going to be using the Revolution Glitter Glue. I picked this up a while ago and I still haven't got around to using it, so I do not actually know if it's amazing, but we will give it a good go. I'm just going to pop this on with a synthetic brush. This is a fake MAC brush that I've had since I was about 13. I don't actually know where I got it from, to be honest with you, but yeah, I'm just going to take this, so any flat synthetic brush will do. Just opening the cup, and then I'm going to squeeze some onto the brush. Oh, okay, it's tinted, wasn't expecting that. Just going to pop this on top of the shadow, evenly as we can get it, just tapping it on with this brush. Okay, I'm going to do one eye at a time because it's glitter and it gets everywhere. So I'm going to go in with this Revolution Glitter Bomb in the shade Out Out. It's got a little stopper on it. Nothing's stopping me. Way! I can make jokes. I can be funny. Just going to pour some into the cap. And by some I mean quite a lot. Yeah. Okay, I'm just going to spritz my other flat synthetic brush with a little bit of primer water just to dampen it a little bit. It'll help pick up the glitter. And then I'm just going to go into the glitter, picking it up on my brush, tapping off the excess like twice. Obviously it's all excess basically, just so it doesn't go in my eye. Closing my eye and then just tapping that on. Yes, that's exactly what I wanted. Yes. Now, I don't know about you, but I think that looks so pretty. Look at it. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and do the same on my other eyeball. Not my eyeball. Don't put glitter on your eyeballs. Ooh, so glittery and pretty. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm glittery. Okay, I'm just going to take a baby wipe and get rid of the fallout under my eyes, and I'll be back in a second. Next up, I'm going to apply a wing liner. I'm taking the Revolution Renaissance liner, which I absolutely love. I think it is so good. It's a felt tip, but I just love the way it glides. Anyway, I'm going to apply a wing to the eye. I'm going to try to not make it really thick, but you know how this goes. I say that and it ends up being like this big, but we will try our jolly best. Just starting by applying it close to the lash line. Then I'm just going to pull this upward and put it back in. Now I'm going to curl my lashes using the Primark Eyelash Curlers. Oh, you get a bit of fluff on this, very annoying. And then for mascara, I'm taking the Revlon Volumizing Mascara, which I'm really loving right now. For lashes, I'm going to be taking these lashes by Suzanne Jackson in collaboration with Primark, and they are in the style Paris from the Glam Lash collection. They are very wispy. I'm going to pop these on off camera and I'll be right back in a jiffy. Okay, so lashes are on. They are absolutely massive, and I'm not used to the ones that are the same kind of, they're like, are like bigger in the middle, so this feels very odd, but I do actually quite like the look of it with this look, and I feel like I've picked the right lashes. So now I'm going to apply a black liner to my waterline. This eye is streaming like mad, I think, just from taking off my makeup like 3 times today. So I feel like my eye is a little bit irritated, so please bear with me with this eye, which is annoying because that's usually my good eye. But I'm going to apply some liner to my waterline. This is the Sigma Long Wear Gel Eyeliner Pencil in the shade Wicked. This eyeliner pencil is so good, you guys. Honestly, it holds up so well, and you forget you're wearing it, and then people come up to you like, what eyeliner are you wearing there? Because it's like solid. So yeah, it's so good. So I'm just gonna pop this in my waterline, and my eyes are definitely gonna water. I can just feel it, but let's just do it anyway. Yep. Oh my god, they're watering already. Right, calm down, eyes. It's okay. You'll be alright. I'm also going to try and pop some in the upper waterline as well. Now we're going to move on to my face. So first, to prime my face, I'm going to go in with my Primark Primer Water, of course. And also my face needs to like cool down a little bit because I'm getting quite hot under these lights. So yeah, this will feel quite nice. Give it a good old shake and spray it on. Feels so good. And I'm going to give my face a good old fan dry. I'm just going to clip my hair out of my face to prime or not to prime. To not prime is a crime. Anyway, I'm going to go in with a Revolution baking oil because we are on a bit of a Revolution theme. I thought I may as well prime my face with this, and I do quite like it. This stuff, you basically just squeeze it out like a little pipette and massage this into the skin. Oh, I've got a painful spot just brewing here. Ow. And then for foundation, I'm going to go in with an oldie but a goodie. This is the Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Foundation in the shade Ivory. As you can tell, I'm very low on this, so I am using up my makeup. Okay, I'm just going to squeeze this onto my Real Techniques Miracle Complexion sponge and then apply this all over my face. Just dabbing this into the skin for a nice flawless finish. There's no real like knack to this, just keep dabbing it in all over the face. You can always add more foundation if you want a little bit extra coverage. Okay, my foundation is all blended into the skin. To cream contour, I'm actually going to go in with a really old product. This is the Avon concealer stick in the shade Dark. I'm just using this to use it up, to be honest, but it, you know, it's alright, but you can see I've only got a little bit left. Going to contour the usual places. So under the cheekbones, around the tops of my forehead, under the jaw, under my lip, and then down the sides of my nose, just to kind of add some more shape to the face. Then I'm going to blend it into the skin using my Real Techniques Expert face brush, which is falling apart, and I need a new cream contour brush, but they've redesigned this and it's fluffier. So if you know of a dense contour brush, let me know. To blend this out, just a little circular motions. Okay, so that's all blended in. I'm going to take my Revolution C4 concealer to conceal on my face. On the chin, in the middle of the forehead, down the centre of the nose, and then of course under the eyes to really brighten that area up. Taking my sponge to blend it out. Dab 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 for flawless skin. Next I'm going to take this really cool product from Revolution. It's their jelly highlighter in the shade Monumental. So I'm just going to take some of this. I don't even know what brush to use. I think I'm just going to use this brush to put it on and then blend it out with my finger. So I'm just taking a little bit of the jelly highlighter. I'm going to dab this on my cheekbones. For a nice glow. Please ignore my eyes, they're super watery right now. But I just want to show you how to create this lovely makeup look. Then for actual highlight, I'm going to go in with this Revolution Face Quad in the shade Ignite, I think. But I'm going to go in with the shade right here. Just going to tap that right on top of the jelly highlighter. Yeah. Looks so nice. Really intense. Now we're going to set the rest of the face, and I'm just going to be using my Etmore Mineral Complexion Powder. I'm not going to go directly over the highlight, but I will kind of overlap it a little bit so it blends into the skin nicer. Moving on to contour, I'm going to take my Nip and Fab Light Contour Kit. This is a big favourite of mine. I'm going to take the shade Ginger right here to contour my cheekbones. And then my forehead. Under my jaw. And my nose. Then for bronzer, I'm going in with my Rimmel Natural Bronzer in the shade Sun Glow. I'm just going to use this to bronze up my face. And I'm also going to take this down the neck as well. For blush, I'm going to go in with an old blush of mine, which is the Makeup Geek Rendezvous blush, which looks like this. Just a teeny little bit. That'll do. Then we'll set this into place, and I'm taking the Revolution Hyaluronic Fix Setting Spray. Just going to give my face a good old dry. I'm going to take my hair out. Charlie's Angels moment. I'm just going to set my brows. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Chocolate Brow Gel. I'm going to pop a teeny bit of mascara on my lower lashes, just a little bit because my face is still a little bit damp, so I don't want it to transfer. Now I'm just going to take my face quad again. I'm going to go back into that golden colour. And I'm going to use this to highlight my inner corner. And I'm also going to apply a little bit to my brow bone, just to tie everything together. Then I'm just going to use this LA Girl brush to blend that out. Okay, now the last step is the lip. For lips, of course, I'm going to go with a red. For lips, I'm going to go with a red, and I'm taking the BH Cosmetics Waterproof Lip Liner in the shade Delight, which is a bright red lip liner. I'm just going to use this to line my lips. Nothing fancy, and I can't really talk while I do this, but I'm basically just going to outline the natural line of my lips. Just slightly overline it, very, very slightly. Then for lipstick, I'm going to go in with this BH Cosmetics Liquid Linen in the shade Maria. Oh no, I've smudged things everywhere. I'm just going to turn the lights off for like 2 minutes to let my eyes adjust because they are watering like crazy. So this is the finished makeup look. It's my first festive makeup look for this winter. Life has been absolutely crazy at the moment, and I had so many intentions of filming like a green glittery look, a gold glittery look, a creative Christmas look, and just timing, working full time, it didn't happen, you guys. But I really love the way this makeup look turned out. I think it's super glamorous, super sexy. It feels super like posy right now. You know what I mean? If you do your makeup to that level, you know exactly how I'm feeling right now. But if you did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. It means the absolute world. It's completely free and it alerts you when I upload a new video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I am shivonmakeupbiz on both handles. Go check it out, please. And I shall see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have an amazing Christmas. Bye. Don't know what I'm talking about, but I really enjoyed. If you do, please. Get mascara if you mean. For lashes, I'm going to be taking the Suzanne Glam Lash. We don't need no drama. Da, 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 da. And my eyes are really watering. But it did.